To change a spark plug is a very simple affair. I'll show you how. Simply remove the plug cap with a suitable sized socket, place it into there and undo it. The newer engines, they'll be quite easy to undo. Older engines, they might be a bit tight, so be careful you don't spin off and hurt yourself. Loosen the plug off, undo the plug, there's the plug. Check the threadings inside, make sure it's clean. New plugs, the new plugs are gapped at the factory. If you drop the plug, then recheck the gap, but normally straight out the packet, they're good to go, they're set ready. Start the plug in the hole, and then tighten up. You'll find it will tighten up and you can go another quarter turn and that will be sufficient enough for that spark plug. Replace the cap on, make sure it clicks on, and we're good to go. The only thing I would suggest or to explain to you is if you take a spark plug out of your engine, make sure you're putting the right one back. Some people will put a different plug in and it's not the right one for the engine. So make sure that you check that it is the right plug. The one that in there may not be the correct plug, just so you know.